Alright, if you have a crack on your radiator, not on the plastic section, in the steel, this is what you need. This is made in the, you're gonna find these at Advanced Auto Part or maybe any auto store, but you gotta find it in the exhaust section, not in the radiator section. Go where they have the thing to repair exhaust, and you find this. This is gonna fix your leak. As you can see, this one is leaking right now. So we're gonna put a little bit of this and call it done. Yes. So when you open it, this is what it looked like. You gotta make sure you mix it good. It's lead.
That's
Yes.
with that stick.
Stick. A little stick. You gotta stir it really good. Yeah.
Y entonces dijo Ponce.
¿Puedes meter la cámara aquí?
Si quiere le ayudo yo. Vamos a ver. We're right here fixing a radiator with a nice lead or plomo en español para que bloquee ahí el hoyito. Aquí tenemos al señor, el maestro de los remiendos y de todo. Aquí está. Cuidado ahí que le quedó. Le puso en todos lados. Le hubiera regado en todos lados para por si acaso.
A ver si podemos.
Sí.
Logramos ver aquí. So here we are. We let this thing dry for overnight. Drove it here home. Let me show you the repair that I did. See right there? Before there was a hole right there. So now we got no more. Let me start it up. 1 second. No more leaks. So before, used to be a lot of water dripping here. See now, dry. Completely dry. So now you know it worked. 100%. 100% work. Only on steel. I mean aluminum, not on plastic. Alright, so if you got any holes on aluminum, that's what you do. No more leaks.